Hi Archie. How you doing? Oh, flopping. Lay down for a nap. What do you got planned for today, buddy? You gonna work on that bike, ain't you? You're just gonna lay there and flop. Chase some grasshoppers. Alright, well I think I'm gonna work on the bike. Here it is. Last night I finished welding it together. I took a 3-inch square piece of aluminum tubing that was 10 feet long, and I let the air out of the front tire and the back tire so that I could clamp the tube tight against the wheels, and that's how I kept everything as straight as I could while it was all being welded up. So I knew the wheels were as straight as I could get them, and then I used a level, and I put everything level and vertical, and that's as straight as this thing's going to be. I rode it down the hill twice last night and didn't crash, and it didn't fall to pieces, so that's good. It seems to be pretty stable and steers well. Doesn't steer sharp, but it steers well. So we'll try not to look too close, but yeah, got my weld up there. I'm going to clean them all up with the grinder. Might bondo it a bit, we'll see. I still got to figure out how I got to grind this and weld that one still. Back fender, it's not welded in place yet, but I've made the cut to tuck it in, and then I'll push it up, fill the gap, weld that in there. We played with some round caps to cover this. I might do that, we'll see. And the inner frame we finished. Oh, it's gonna fall over on me. It's just held with clamps at the back right now, but we finished welding up all that. It's pretty tough, ugly welds. I might gus it in here and gus it in here to strengthen that up still. And some headlight mounts. Got to find a fender for it. Yeah, coming along. I think Neil's going to come by this morning just to try it out so he can ride it down the hill. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. I still got to figure out how I'm going to attach pedals to keep the policeman happy. We got a lot of work still to do, but it's a coaster bike. It rode down the hill, no brakes, didn't fall apart, so I think that's a win. I really like the back end. I think it looks cool. It almost looks like a face. I think there's a nose, a couple little eyes, and a big mouth. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. When I make some more progress, I'll show you again. And you, Archie, what are you going to do? Eh? Yeah? Okay. You going to work on something today or no? Okay. Well, that's all. Maybe we'll work on the van next time. Talk to you later.